stay tuned. If you like the video, if you like the content, please like and subscribe. And that helps people out whenever you're trying to do a YouTube channel. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? I'm here with my 2004 Silverado. I've had service four-wheel drive come on quite a few times. I've changed out pretty much every part that you can. I did a video on how to change out the transfer case control module.
Nothing. I'm gonna show the data, see what it's saying. Nothing on the front.
So it's not reading the front speed?
The front's not turning. That's why there's no speed.
Interesting. And it's not reading that it's something wrong.
Four drive low, locked, engaged, on. Front axle locked. Transfer case locked, no. Yeah, see? Want to switch to
Auto.
watch.
Now you're in 4-low.
It says not locked.
And it didn't engage
Yeah,
yet.
light's flashing.
Hit the gas just a little bit.
At neutral.
There it is. And it's still not saying it's engaged.
Transfer case not locked. Alright.
Has it got a test or something? Is that what that is? Can you tell it to turn it on from right there?
I don't know what the deal is. Still ain't doing it.
It's not. Yeah, it's not engaged up there.
So you can feel the front drive shaft when it starts turning.
Mm-hmm.
And
yeah, it's an
auto. You can see watch the
slippage
before it starts. Boom. Then it slippage, and then it starts, and it goes to zero slippage.
Yep.
I'll get back to start that full wheel. Slippage.
My ABS light's on.
Yeah, it's because we got it off the ground.
Oh, gotcha.
What's this?
with the ABS light being off the ground, they're not like stuck on. Right?
The vehicle should be known for its own code.
We checked out the Tech 2 scanner whenever I got back from driving and didn't yield any new results. But with the issues that it's saying, it looks like I need to change that transfer case control module out again. So, hey, that's the gamble you play when you pay $50 for a part on eBay. When going to O'Reilly, it costs, what, 400 bucks? So I'll take that gamble again. I'm going to buy another one on eBay. I'll try swapping that out and seeing if that actually fixes my Phantom four-wheel drive problem. Stay tuned, we'll find out.